Hello, ESL students. Welcome back. My name is Kieran Walter, and I am the founder of Speak Confidently, a business that helps students like you master the art of English communication. Today we are going to talk about some colorful expressions in English that you can use to keep something a secret. These expressions are commonly used in conversations to describe situations where you need to keep information to yourself. The first expression is, behind closed doors. That means something is done privately or in secret, away from public view. For example, the matter was discussed behind closed doors. It is safer to keep everything in-house at the moment. Another expression is, bite your tongue, which means you stop yourself from saying something that you would like to say. For example, it was difficult not to react. I had to bite my tongue. The third expression is, cover your tracks. This means you hide or destroy things that show where you have been or what you have been doing. For example, Charlie was sorry he hadn't covered his tracks better when his wife discovered he had been unfaithful with the housekeeper. The fourth expression is, give the game away. This means you spoil a surprise or a joke by telling someone something that should have been kept secret. For example, the actor hoped nobody in the hotel would recognize him, but the amazement on the face of the receptionist gave the game away. Finally, we have, gloss over. That means you treat something in a way that fails to recognize its importance or faults. For example, most students gloss over the educational system. Maybe one day, they will see how vital it is. And remember, sometimes the best thing to do is, keep your mouth shut. This means that you do not talk about something, especially if it's sensitive information. For example, please, keep your mouth shut about the game. I've worked all night intending to watch it, so if you tell me now, I will kill you. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Now, go out there and use these expressions to keep your secrets safe.